Hi everyone, today you will learn something very easy in Czech, and that is the negation. You may remember from the previous videos that to say yes, you will say ano. To say no, you will say ne. Now, to say I am a student, já jsem studentka, that's easy, that's what we learned before. To say no, I am not a student, it will be ne, já nejsem studentka. So you may repeat ne in the beginning, or you can just say já nejsem studentka, I am not a student. So you take this ne and you put it in front of the verb and you will write it together. So já nejsem studentka, ty nejsi profesor, for example. It works with any other verb. For example, já vím, I know. Já nevím, I don't know. Or very useful, já rozumím, I understand. Já nerozumím, I don't understand. The only exception though is for the verb být, to be, for he, she. So for the third person in singular. For example, ona je studentka. She is a student. Ona není turistka. She isn't a tourist. Other example, Juan je zvíře. Juan is an animal. Juan není člověk. Juan is not human. So, není is the only exception, or he, she isn't, on, ona není. Otherwise, for any other verb, it will be ne plus the verb in given person. For example, já nevím, I don't know, or ty nevíš, or you don't know. Hope you guys like this video and see you in the next one. You may... to zaseknu ještě 50krát. Proč bych tam měla říct for example?